From insane balancing skills to biking down a volcano, here are the most insane moments caught on camera. She takes ice off a leaf and drops it. Check out this art piece with the duck under the umbrella in the rain. Her cat and boyfriend meet and have a stare-down. How is this guy able to maintain his balance? This is Inception. This video is self-explanatory. They were caught slipping.
Then my head hit the wall.
There are numbers inside this circle, but are you able to read them? Different people can see different numbers. Comment below what numbers you see. This IU cheerleader saved the day.
Get her up there! This is how you do it! Give her the mob. No, she's got it! Oh, what a play! The cheerleader saves the day!
And this is what we mean by true horsepower. How did this car brake like that? Let us know in the comments below. Who let this engineer cook on the barbecue? If you're a cook, don't watch this video.
Guys, look at that egg. No, what did I do wrong? Is baking eggs like not a thing? Ew, and there's also so much grease, but wait. What? Wait, it's not okay.
What could possibly go wrong? Have you ever seen how old-fashioned hair clippers work? Like and subscribe right now to make this doggo happy. This little artist is amazing. Couple goals. Who else wants to be playing football here? Who expected this crystal to turn out so beautiful? Marcus Stockel, a professional mountain bike rider, holds the fastest speed record of 102 miles per hour for biking down an active volcano. Don't ever try this at home, as this was performed in a safe and controlled environment. But just imagine if he had biked into lava like this. How can I purchase such artwork? This trained professional acrobat dived into this pool perfectly, but don't try this at home. Why does he make it look so effortless? Let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried this. Watching Air France's massive A380 fly low in the fog looks spectacular. This ingenious trick can clean a blocked sinkhole like nothing. This is done by creating enough pressure, forcing the water down the drain. How awesome! Rescuing a pig from the swamp, how cute.
Come here, little fella. There you go. Come on. Chill out.
Ever wondered how to tie a proper knot? A wild Caillou in the hood was spotted. Which noodle will stay on the spatula? Keep watching to find out. How is this man doing this? Who can relate? Who wants to go on this water slide? How cool is this custom tiny Macintosh key? This dog has such adorable eyes. I don't think he will be doing that again anytime soon. Why is this literally like my cat? Weighing a piece of paper before versus after writing on it. You didn't learn this one from me, alright? I've definitely done this before. Who else? When they say life is like a game. Click on one of the videos on screen right now and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.